I'm from Hidden Pond Nature Center, and we reach out to different libraries such as Bird Library, and we bring different animals depending on the topic. Last time we focused on reptiles and amphibians, so I brought frogs and snakes. This time we're bringing turtles here to teach the kids about the different adaptations about turtles. This program started about 3 years ago. Bird Library reached out to us and asked us if we could stop by and do a couple programs for them, and it worked out really well. That we got a lot of people coming by, so we started coming once a month. Yeah, our programs are very hands-on, so when we do come here, any live animals we bring, we want the kids to touch them and pet them, so they do get a chance to see what the shell, how hard the shell is, to see how strong the scales are and how sharp the claws are, so they get to actually get to interact. We like to have a very hands-on program. I brought some box turtles to show, which are some of our slowest turtles, but we also got some of the quicker ones. So we have a painted turtle, a spotted turtle, and we also brought a big snapping turtle over here, who I like to bring out to programs because he is very tame, and so the kids can actually have a chance to get up to a snapping turtle without getting snapped at. A lot of the residents here, they don't have a nature center close by. They do have Lake Accotink, but they don't have an actual interpretive staff to show them the different animals and natural aspects of their neighborhood. And so what we do is, since we reach out further from our site, we get to teach these kids about nature and the environment when they wouldn't get that chance anywhere else.